step off the limb. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
There are in fact 100 billion other galaxies, each of which contains something like 100 billion stars. Think of how many stars and planets and kinds of life there may be in this vast and awesome universe. As long as there have been humans, we have searched for our place in the cosmos. Where are we? Who are we? We find that we live on an insignificant planet of a humdrum star, lost in a galaxy tucked away in some forgotten corner of a universe in which there are far more galaxies than people.
The universe, a rare representation of everything around us, a sea of unimaginable size, one in which we are but a mere speck of dust. Human beings have been proven to be very curious creatures. We started small, exploring mountains and forests, and then we went overseas. Now it's time we go into space, but we need a stepping stone, and we call ours Yggdrasil.
For us, our space settlement is our vision of a world. We see it as our own little planet. It's the way we see life, just like Yggdrasil was for people in Norse mythology. Yggdrasil is a giant tree that connects the 9 worlds: Asgard, Vanaheim, Niflheim, Svartalheim, Jotunheim, Muspelheim, Niflheim, Helfheim, Midgard.
Even if our settlement will be placed in space, every human being has to live in an environment which imitates the conditions from Earth. Long-term exposure to weightlessness environment from space causes a chain reaction of harmful effects on the human health, which will complicate the human's work. We are going to avoid them by producing artificial gravity.
The human body is made up of more than 3/4 water. Water is the second most important thing for the human body after air. Chemical reactions from the human body can't occur without water. A person can live without water for about 3 to 5 days. Water has an essential role in life maintenance. Without water, life wouldn't exist. In our organism, water exists in organs, in tissues, and biologic liquids. It dissolves and transfers the substances. It maintains the concentration of the salts in the organism and has a role in temperature regulation because it evaporates on the body's surface.
Therefore, water is something that we should keep in mind when having a space settlement. Another point is keeping inhabitants safe from the dangers outside the Earth's atmosphere. Space has almost what the temperature that scientists like to call absolute zero. Also, radiation resistance and tensile strength should be put into consideration. Knowing this, our main wall layers would be aerogel for keeping the temperature, RSF1 for radiation resistance, and a titanium wireframe for its high tensile strength. Taking knowledge from many domains and emulating life on Earth, Yggdrasil brings not the humans closer to space, but a space closer to the humans.